My name is David Almanzan, and I am the auto tech teacher for Dekaney High School. We are at Universal Technical Institute. This is an educational program for my auto tech students. We have about 150 students.
I'm a junior, and I'm the kid that is interested in everything. I like to try electrical stuff, mechanic, hands-on, everything. We were measuring the brake disc.
Is that one bad?
Yes, it was bad. We were training and it was going crazy.
The kids have really enjoyed not only the support that they get from the district about coming and visit the campus, they see their potential.
My name is Elizabeth Flores. I'm a senior and I go to Dekaney High School. Usually we take engines apart to see if they're running good, if they have any issues. I feel like if a female wants to become a mechanic, which is good to know because it helps us depend on ourselves.
I think it's very important that we get women involved in the industry because we would change misconceptions and break down barriers when it comes to the automotive industry.
I like how cars work. I feel like there's a way of perfection. People say that perfection doesn't exist, but I feel like within a car we can perfect things and make things work. And plus I like hands-on stuff and I like being out in the field.
UTI, Universal Technical Institute, has been always a great supporter of the district. It gives plenty of students a great opportunity.